Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Friday, August the 1st. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures sank on Friday after President Trump officially hit virtually every U.S. trading partner with sweeping tariff hikes, while the June jobs report showed signs of a labor market slowdown. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dropped 0.9%, while those on the S&P 500 fell around 1%. Contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 also sank around 1% on the heels of a losing day for the major U.S. gauges. Number 2, President Donald Trump unveiled a series of tariffs Thursday night that will be implemented August 7th, pushed back from today. The U.S. struck deals with South Korea, Cambodia, and Thailand just before Trump's self-imposed deadline, while Trump extended talks with Mexico for 90 days. Trump raised tariffs on Canada to 35%, citing failure to curb fentanyl traffic into the U.S. Meanwhile, White House negotiators are nearing a deal with China, the world's second-largest economy and one of the most important trading partners of the U.S., Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Thursday on CNBC. Number 3, Apple reported second-quarter results that topped analysts' expectations on the back of record-high services revenue. The iPhone maker posted profit of $1.57 per share on revenue that rose 10% year-over-year to $94.04 billion, both above Visible Alpha consensus estimates. Apple's services revenue improved 13% to a record $27.42 billion to beat expectations. Meanwhile, CEO Tim Cook said Apple expects tariffs to cost the company $1.1 billion this quarter, and that it has been significantly growing its investments in AI. Apple shares are up nearly 2% in pre-market trading. Number 4, Amazon shares are plunging 8% in pre-market trading despite better-than-projected second-quarter results. Amazon posted profit of $1.68 per share, and a 13% year-over-year revenue jumped to $167.7 billion to beat Visible Alpha consensus estimates. Amazon Web Services revenue increased by 18% to $30.9 billion, which was ahead of analysts' expectations, but may not have been enough for investors after Microsoft reported blowout cloud revenue a day earlier. Number 5, the latest monthly jobs report showed the U.S. labor market added fewer jobs than expected in July, while the unemployment rate moved higher, and revisions to prior months' numbers revealed significantly fewer jobs had been added than initially thought. The U.S. economy added 73,000 non-farm payrolls in July, less than the 104,000 expected by economists. The unemployment rate moved up to 4.2% from 4.1% the month prior, in line with expectations from economists. In June, the U.S. economy added just 14,000 jobs, while the unemployment ticked lower to 4.1%. Those figures were revised significantly lower on Friday from an initial reading of 14,700. Revisions showed the labor market added 258,000 less jobs than initially reported in May and June. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.